Hello dear friends, welcome to MCT My Creative YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you this is mppt solar charger controller. The main problems is the phone is not charging. Here I remove this and the phone is not charging. That is the problem in this mppt solar charger controller, and I found the problem. I can see here, see carefully. This is IC, this IC. I checked this IC little burnt. This IC only the convert the 24 volt into 5 volt. That IC number is, you can see, I zoom here. This is the IC, this one the 5 volt IC. The IC number is XL1509.50E1. This is the number, and I purchased some ICs and I replaced here. This one is all burned one. Yeah, this one is little burnt. Here you can see, here there is a black dot on the IC, so I replaced that, and I replaced the new one here. This I ordered from China. The IC number is this is IC number. Now let's check its work or not. Okay, I fixed now. Now let's check it's work or not. Let's connect the USB. But here you can see it's charging. Yeah, you can see it's charging. It's working now.